Welcome, advanced algebra, welcome. I hope that this audio sounds better. I actually had a little time to mess around with this. We'll find out, and if it doesn't, I'm not going to check, so you're just going to have to deal with it either way. I mean, either way, my voice, sounds pretty good. Okay, so I'm not going to, kid around. Yesterday's video, it was kind of like busy work type stuff. But today, we really have to go through some stuff. Now, here's the deal. This is the paper that I'm going to give you on Monday, right? This is the paper I'm going to give you on Monday. The problems that I do, I'm going to expect you to write down on this paper, but I'm going to give it to you on Monday, unless you're really feeling like, oh, I could, print it out. No. But I'm not going to give you time to write it out in class. Like when we start class on Monday, we're just going at it. But these problems that I'm going to go through, we're starting in chapter 7. Wow, we've gone pretty fast. I actually skipped 7.1 because I want to teach that in person next week, which is fine. But this stuff we've already done. We did substitution and elimination, but you guys need to be professionals at this, especially for Algebra 2 class, which is a couple of years down the road. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Watch this. You're going to remember it, and you're going to say, oh, yeah, I remember that. I'm going to put this right there, and I'm going to say 5x plus 33 equals 3x plus 19. Oh, I can solve that. Subtract 3x. Subtract, oh great, I have to turn on my calculator. Do 19 minus 33 and get negative 14. And then when I do that, I get x equals negative 7. But wait, there's more. Take this baby, 4x, and plug it in, I don't know, like right there, I guess. Okay? So then y would equal 3 times negative 7 plus 19. Well, that's cool. What's negative 21 plus 19? Did you say negative 2? So did I. So x is negative 7 and y is negative 2. Hey, Blanchard, didn't we already do this? Yes, you should be a pro at it. I didn't really like substitution. Remember, I love elimination, but we're just going to focus on the hard stuff. Okay, next one. Let's do this. Every y becomes a 2x. So I'm going to put it right there. So it's going to be 5x minus 2x equals 9. So 3x equals 9, x equals 3. But wait, there's more. I'm going to take that and I'll put it right there. So then y equals 2 times 3, which is 6. Yay. Okay. Got that? I bet you do. You understand that. You can pause the video if you want, but I'm going to keep on rolling because right now it's Thursday night for me, and the sooner that I get done with this video, the better. Okay, let's do another one. But wait, there's more. Let's take this baby and plug it in right there. So that'd be 3x plus 3 parenthesis x plus 2 equals 6. So 3x plus 3x plus 6 equals 6. 6x equals 6x plus 6 equals 6. 6x equals 0. And x equals 0. My hero. Take that baby and then plug it in right there. And then y would equal 0 plus 2. And so y equals 2. Hello. That one didn't turn out so nice. I hope the audio does sound better. Gosh, it sounded terrible for like 5 of my videos. It sounded like I was talking right into the microphone. Come on. Really? Come on. Okay, so that was number 5. Let's continue. Number 8. Okay, this is the x. It's going to go right there. So it's going to be 3 and then negative 2y minus 21 minus 7y equals 41. This is a good way to jumpstart your brain, by the way, because we've been off for 3 weeks. It's 3 minus 7y equals 41. Negative 13y. I'm going to add 63 to 41. Add 63 to 41 and get 100. 104. Does that work out? Negative 8? Yeah. Y is negative 8. Cool. That makes me happy. Now I got to take this baby and let's put it right here. Remember, you have your choice. It's got to go in for y, but you have your choice. So then x would equal negative 2 times negative 8 minus 21. X equals negative 16 and negative 21. So that's negative 30. Oh, I just messed up somewhere. That's positive 16. Silly goose. Gooses. Geeses. What movie is that from? Gooses. Geeses. Okay. Let's go to the back. That only took 7 minutes. Cool. My pre-calc video was 15 minutes and the audio was not fixed, so it sounded bad. Okay, you can pause the video there. Ready, set, go. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, governor. Let's keep going. So some of these problems, as we learned, you would much rather do as elimination. Okay? Do you see this side? Like the directions didn't change, but I would definitely change it. I'm not going to force you to do substitution because you know I despise it anyway, right? I even lost the calligraphy pen, by the way. Like I don't even know where that's at. Oh, there it is. Yay. Let's try that. Okay. So if I were going to do this problem, oh, wow. I'd multiply this by negative 2. Maybe I'm not going to do. Was my calligraphy pen ever that bad? Here, let's try that. Okay, so the top equation would be 5x plus 2y equals 7. And the bottom equation would be negative, oh, that's cool, negative 8x minus 2y equals negative 16. Draw a line, add down. Negative 3x, the y's go away, equals, what is that, negative 9? Is that negative 9? Yeah. And then x equals 3. Well, then you're going to take that 3 and you're going to plug it in, I don't know, here. Let's put it right there. So then that would be 5 parenthesis 3 plus 2y equals 7. 15 plus 2y equals 7. 2y equals negative 8 and y equals negative 4. That ink is cooler than you. It really is. It's just cooler than you. Okay, let's look at number 12. Multiply this baby again by negative 2. Oh, it switched back. Come on. Really? Just let me, really? Just let me have this. So it's going to stay, okay. 2x minus 3y equals negative 24, but then it's also going to be negative 2x minus 12y equals negative 36. Oh, the x's go away. I get negative 15y equals negative 60, and that's quattro. Okay, that's 4. Then we're going to do this, and we're going to circle that, and we're going to put that, I don't know, I guess there, huh? So that's going to be 2x minus 3 times 4 equals negative 24. 2x minus 12 equals negative 24. 2x equals negative 12 because I added 12. And x equals negative 6. Okay? Got that? One more. One more. BTW, I'm giving you that paper, and then you're going to have to fill it in. and then turn it in. Okay. Which one do we want to do? That looks so doggone easy. Oh, let's do number 15. This will be our last one. Okay. Here's the deal with 15, right? And you guys already know this because you just looked at it and you're like, psh, too easy. I can multiply the top by -4, or I can multiply the bottom by -3. I could get rid of the x or the y. I just don't want to do both at the same time, right? You know what I'm saying? So let's do it. Let's multiply the bottom by -3. And you're like, why do you do -3, Blanchard? Just watch. X minus 3y equals 16. And then this would be -12x plus 3y, a negative and a negative make a positive, equals -27. Draw a line. That's -11x, and that's -11. And x equals 1. I'm really digging that calligraphy pen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Then let's go to the bigger, let's go here. Then I'm going to take that and I'm going to plug it in right there. So it's going to be 1 minus 3y equals 16. I'm going to subtract that. -3y equals 15. And then y equals -5. My handwriting's fancier than yours. That is awesome. Okay, that's it. That's it. What else do you have to do? You have to be prepared for Monday because we're moving on. And this is going to be almost like a double thing. I've already done the work for you, but you're going to have to write this stuff down on that paper when I give it to you. Get it? Got it? Great. I say to you, good day.